Hello there, welcome to classicmotorbikes.net. This is Scotty. We're down at our workshop. Just thought we'd show you what we've got coming later this year. We've been out and found ourselves a winter project. Might take a few winters. It's rather interesting RD350lc. We don't know too much of its history. We just picked it up from a guy's shed. He'd been using it till it stopped, chucked it in the shed, bought another bike. Usual sort of familiar story. But what we quite like about it is it's complete. It doesn't run obviously, but it's complete. It's a really good starting point for a project. Just take a closer look. Let's see. So it's definitely been sat around for a while. But she is a genuine 350 with the all-important matching frame and engine number. We're not 100% sure what direction we're going to go in with it. One thing for sure, we won't be doing like a faithful, back to factory spec restoration, mainly for two reasons. One, it just gets ridiculously expensive, and two, there's always someone else going to come along and criticise you because you've not used the right colour olive bolts, or your sticker's not straight or something. So we're not really into all that. So but what we want to do is get it running, clean her up, tidy her up, probably go down the route of what we would have done with them in the day. Get the brakes working properly, get some nice exhaust pipes on it, maybe tune it up a little bit, but just a general sort of thing that everyone did to them during the day. So as a starting point, I'm pretty chuffed with it. It's the Bounty colour, Bounty bar. We haven't stripped it yet, we haven't really touched it, only cleaned it. It's showing 49,000 miles, which could be genuine. Engine's complete. It don't really turn over. It's kind of got compression, but we'll be taking that apart anyway. Might see the carbs are missing. Thankfully, the guy had a few biscuit tins full of bits and bobs, like everyone does. Included the carburetors. There's a few other bits, some mirrors, clutch, inlet rubbers, just bits and bobs. This is quite smart. Sadly, didn't have the Pro-Am top fairing, but we'll let him off. So we'll probably utilise that as another standard swinging arm. All parts that we like, if we don't use, we can sell and put the money to getting parts for the bike. What's nice that it hasn't thrown the chain. Quite often if you own LCs or power valves, they normally let the chain go at some point where people don't adjust them, and it takes the crankcases out. So that's that's a nice plus for it. It's just a good looking bike, isn't it? It's just evokes so many memories. Some people it was cheap transport and they couldn't afford a big emerging 80s superbike. For others it was the best bike ever built. Let us know where you fit in. So it's just a quick walk around. Like I say, we're going to be doing this as a series later in the year. We want to gather the parts. We don't want to rush it, but at the same time, we actually want to get it done and be using it. If you've got any ideas on what we could do to it, what you've done to yours, any top tips, don't forget to leave us a comment. If you've got any parts you think we might need to be buying off you, or you make parts, just distribute stuff, let us know. We'll get your stuff into our videos. I'm more than happy to do that. And that might need a clean. So there you have it, our project LC.